And in other news now, the family of a young farmer killed in Clarendon last Friday is asking for the public's help in their fight for justice. 20-year-old Oid Demar Lilly was run over by a motorist who refused to pay for a bottle of honey. More in this report from DWAYNE Anderson.
We need justice for this senseless killing over one bottle of honey for 2,500.
20-year-old Demar Lilly was killed over a bottle of honey. Reports are that the driver of a Pajero motor vehicle ran over Demar as he made off with his goods without paying. The incident happened Friday afternoon in the tollgate area of Clarendon, while the young man was selling the honey from an apiary he operates with his father. For his grief-stricken family, it is a cruel reminder of how depraved some people are.
This man, you can see that he has money, he has a big van, he's wealthy, and my brother, who was just trying to make it in life, just starting off life, had to die for one bottle of honey, all because he didn't want to pay for one bottle of honey. That's a thief, and if he did it once, he can do it again if we don't catch him.
This is the vehicle that is believed to be involved in Demar's killing. Investigators are asking persons to help find the owner or driver of the bluish-grey Pajero with a brown mark on its body. Demar's family said alleged eyewitnesses gave this description of the person involved.
With a brown Indian-looking man, thick-bodied man who was wearing test glasses.
Demar's sister wants businesses with cameras in the area that may have captured identifying features of the vehicle or driver to help the family and police in finding the perpetrator.
The business place along the stretch from Tollgate straight back to Mandeville. If you could just look through your footages from on Friday between the hours of 2, between the hours of say 1 to 2:30 at least, to see if you can identify this vehicle so we can at least get the license plate number. We would really appreciate it.
It's been a tough few years for the Lilly family. Demar is not the first from their family to die in road-related incidents.
We need the help of community members, we need the help of Jamaica, we need the help of the police. We need persons to intervene because it could have been your loved one, it could have been your child. This is the second child for my parents to actually die on this road, and we have not received any justice for the first one. She was just 14 at the time, and now my brother, who is 20, should go through the same fate and not even to catch the criminal who did it. We just need him to turn in himself.
DWAYNE Anderson, TVJ News.